Are you ready?
Good night, little monkeys. Good night. Sweet tight and absolutely no, you know what.
Ten little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
What on earth is going on in here?
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Hello? Hi, Doctor. Monkey one was jumping on the bed and fell off and bumped his head. Oh, my Lanta. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Doctor said you need to calm down. Oh, maybe that was Taylor Swift. Either way, time for bed.
okay, get on your bed. Nine little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay, monkeys, get this. Good job. Little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
Seriously, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. That it happened, and then I'm sending in your file.
look around. Ready? 8 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped his head.
Daddy called the doctor. And the doctor said,
Why do more monkeys jump down the bed?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
Hang on. Bed now.
Bed now.
Okay, 6 little monkeys, ready? Half. Look around. 6 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Daddy called the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. I'm too old for this. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Stop monkeying around.
"Can you take Heidi with you?" Auntie, Daddy called the doctor, and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed." This is Doctor 2. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Mama!
You take me out. Take me out. Four little monkeys, are you ready? Ready? Eyes up here. Then halfway up. Ram. Focus, focus.
Body focus.
That's right. Okay. Halfway up. Look around. Smile. Stand up. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Granny called the doctor, and the doctor said,
"You know it costs money every time you call me, right?" No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay.
You don't have bread. I'll give you a strawberry candy in the morning.
Take Graham with you, Grandma. Good job. Good job. Okay, monkeys, get down. Halfway. Halfway up. Look around. Smile. Stand up. Stand up. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Granny called the doctor, and the doctor said,
Ma'am, please, I don't want to hear from you again. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. I just don't know how they still all have that energy.
okay, Amelia, thank you. Are you ready, little monkey? Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Ready? Let's go halfway up. Look around. Then smile. Stand up. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Papa called the doctor, and the doctor said,
Monkeys jumping on the bed. Are you?
Wait, just a moment. Papa, are you ready?
Is this Rippel?
Yes.
My mustache is not coming.
Oh, where's the other side? Here, that's okay.
The guy left
There you go. There we go. Okay. Go ahead.
Are you kidding me? No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay. And on she say it. Alright, you ready, last monkey? You ready, Ethan? Good job. Ready? Halfway. Look around. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Papa called the doctor, and the doctor...
Grandpa.
Okay, Grandpa.
How many monkeys can there be? No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yep. You are right.
Yep, you're right. There's no more monkeys left.
Alright. Take Ethan with you, Grandpa.
Yep, you're right. There's no more monkeys left.
Very nice. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Grandpa, you might need some Here we go. Hold hands. Gently up and down. I did. Is it off? Is it? I'll just talk loud. Oh, it's on now? It's on. Okay. Hi. Another hand for these amazing. Some people to thank real quick. First of all, I have to thank parents for these amazing costumes and helping them learn their lines. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. Thank you again to Miss Mary and Miss Lupita for getting the stage ready. As always, they are rock stars. I need to thank Mrs. Rathbun and Braden and Belle for helping with the set and for keeping everybody in line where they're supposed to be, as well as the 8th graders. Yes, and Miss Ava. We need to thank Ava for making our beautiful banana tree for the doctor's office. And thank you to Kay for the kind of end credits music. And thank you also to my co-director, Harper Dahl. She did an amazing job with these kids and was really helpful in giving them the advice that they would listen to about supposed to be. So, thank you so much, and please give them all a round of applause. And I'm sure you'd like to meet these stars. Are you ready? Who are you?
My name is Claire. I play Grandma and Mama. And I play Mrs. Rippel and Daddy. My name is Paige and I play monkey number 9.
My name's Amelia. What's your name? Are you Amelia?
Yes.
Did you play monkey number 8? Okay. Who are you?
I play monkey number 7. My name is Lisa. I play monkey number 6.
Good job. Who are you? And my name is Anchi. Just say my name is Anchi.
My name is Anchi.
And I played Papa and Daddy.
I play Papa and Daddy.
Who are you?
My name's Heidi, and I play monkey number 5. I am Ellis and I play monkey number 4. My name's Laura. I play monkey number 3. My name's Lee and I play monkey number 2. My name's David. I play monkey number 1. My name is Sierra and I play doctor number 2. My name is David and I play doctor number 1.
They are just stunning. All right, friends, go ahead and have a seat on your bowing line. I'm going to hand this back off to Dr. Rance.
Wow. I know I couldn't do it when I was 4 and 5. I am so proud of all of our monkeys. So good job. You should be really proud of yourselves. And thank you, Ms. Rippel and Ms. Rapton, for bringing us this amazing opportunity for them to be on the stage. And just know this is their first opportunity. They'll have it every year, multiple times. And if you are a student that's older, kindergarten through 8th grade, do you remember with your pre-kindergarten assembly? Raise your hand if you remember being